Celebrity couple na sina Patrick Garcia at Nika Garcia ikinasal muli sa pangalawang pagkakataon, ngayong araw ng Sabado March 22 kasabay ng ika-10th wedding anniversary ng mag-asawang Patrick Garcia at Nika Garcia ay naganap ang kanilang renewal of vows. Ginanap ang isang simple at intimate beach wedding sa Daline, Boracay kung saan ay dinaluhan ng kanilang buong pamilya, mga mahal sa buhay at malalapit na kaibigan. Iilan sa spotted sa wedding ang mag-asawang Cheske Kramer at Dog Kramer kasama ang kanilang mga anak. Naroon din sina Paulo Contes, Kay Abad at Isabel Oli. Narito panuorin natin ang full video ng renewal of vows nina Patrick Garcia at Nika Garcia.
Ito muna ako para hindi makasagabal. Once again, Patrick, ilang beses mo ito ginagawa? You may kiss. Once again, your bride.
Fixing it every time you pull out a folded shirt. I like observing you when you are in your nothing box. All throughout the day, I am simply in love with who you were then and who you are now. All of you. I remember my vows 10 years ago. I said, I loved you then, I love you now, and I will love you forever like I have never loved anyone before. That my heart is yours and yours alone. That wherever you go, I shall go. Your dreams will be mine. Because I choose you. Wherever you are, that's where my home will be. And I stand here today in front of the Lord, our foremost precious gifts, our parents, our family, and closest of friends, saying I do to you once again. You will always be my very best yet, who God entrusted to us. A true testament of how God is. How much love and favor we have been blessed with. My love, we will never be perfect, but believe me when I say you are perfect for me. Our relationship has matured so much, and during times of uncertainty and worry, and I'm such a worrier, you always stay calm, hug me, assure me. Tulad ng sinabi mo sa vows mo, basta magkasama tayo. Okay lang yan. Kakayanin. As long as we're together. Pat, I absolutely love everything about you, and I mean everything. I want to say thank you. Thank you for being an amazing husband. Thank you for being the best father. I will never stop thanking our Abba Father for giving me you as my lifetime partner. Love, I have never been so in love with you. Our love has only gotten stronger, better, more beautiful through time. Always more today than yesterday.
Discussing, planning if we should celebrate our 10th year. It got me thinking where to celebrate or if we should even celebrate. And hindi ko sinasabing mahirap yung 10-year journey natin. Hindi ko rin sinasabing madali. What I like to say is, yung 10-year journey natin, we work on it. We work on each other. We work on ourselves. We work on being the best version of ourselves.
Love Patrick faithfully and unconditionally?
I do.
Do you commit to continually respect, honor, and submit to Him as unto the Lord?
I do.
Do you commit to follow Jesus Christ and the Word of God to the best of your ability in being a godly wife to your husband and a godly mother to your children?
I do.
I do.
Do you commit to continually raise up your children in the knowledge and fear of God according to the Bible?
I do.
And